So I ordered the e-bike on Sunday. It's a ProRider grid. It's 36 volts, 250 watts, 10.1 amp hours. So yeah, I ordered it on Sunday. It's now Tuesday. It's coming this afternoon. So I'll catch up with you when it comes. Right, so as you can see, the parcel's come. It come to my delivery address. I had to put it in my car, park on the opposite side of a car park because there was nowhere to park, carry it along and up 2 flights of stairs to my flat. It's, as you can see here, 26 kilogram, so I struggled a bit. The box is a bit like awkward to get through the doors and that, but got it up 2 flights of stairs okay. Right, so I'll just show you the outside of the box, the packaging. It's got information on about the weight and products and stuff like that and where it's from. Okay, let's have a look at it. As you can see, 26 kilogram, ProRider emblems this way up. But have a look at this. So it's made in the UK. Come on, watch out. Dog stood there so I can't, a bit dark to see, but it's made in Northampton. Barcode, bit of information about it. Oh, made in China. So it's a UK company, but they're made in China. But a lot of electric bikes on eBay are made in China. Okay, that's that side. Right, just a ProRider emblem. The address at the bottom. Not much on that side. And there's nothing printed on the other side. So I'll stick the camera back on the tripod and start unboxing it. Right, so I'm going to unbox it now. So, seat and seat post. By the look of it, it all should just lift out in one. So, right, so you've got the bike with packaging and padding. You've got the seat post that you've just seen, and you've got this here, this box here. So let's have a closer look. Great, scissors have just broke. Right, so let's get the box moved out of the way. I can put the bike a bit further back and you can see better. Okay, so that's all the packaging off and everything. Now it's a folding bike, so I'm going to set it up and have a look at it. Okay, let's have a look at the seat. Right, okay, I've put it together, set it up. It wasn't that hard really. You just, this bit, you do this bit here, the handlebars, and obviously you can take the seat off. So that's a bike. I'll have a closer look at it in a minute. I've still got a bit of foam to take off there, but we'll have a look what's inside this box. So, okay. box. Let's have a look inside it. Where's the scissors? Another box, a box inside a box. Owner's manual, how to operate the LCD. Right, I want to see what's inside this. Aha! Definitely need one of these, don't I? The charger, UK plug, charger and UK plug. 2 Allen keys and some more instructions on charging my battery, I think. Okay, let's have a closer look at the bike. Start with the left side. So a kickstand. There you can see the electric wheel. The battery with a lock. Suspension on the seat. The seat's also got a groove cut in it for added comfort. The pedals are folding, so they lock in place. There's a clamp. I'll turn it round and film the other side in a minute. Suspension forks. Disc brake. Mechanical disc. That's where you fold the handlebars. So you've got a nice big LCD screen. Obviously brakes. Focus. A bell on it. Shimano gears. Right, let's just turn it round. Okay, so here's the right side. As you can see, the disc brake on the other side. Keys. It's a different look at the handlebars. Get round here. That's a nice big LCD screen. This is where it folds. There's the derailleur. Will it focus? It says Tony anyway. Back caliper brake. Pannier rack. On the opposite side of the battery. Okay. So yeah, it's been an unboxing video of the ProRider Grid electric bike, or e-bike, whatever you want to call them. So I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope it's informative. If you've got out to say, leave a comment below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up or even subscribe. Okay, so thanks for watching and catch you up on my next video. My next video will actually be a bike ride, by the way. So there's some links at the end to subscribe to the channel. Okay, thanks for watching.